You know that feeling. When you walk into a space and everything just feels right? Where light, comfort, and design come together and you suddenly imagine yourself living there? Well, this is that kind of place. Today, we're taking an exclusive first look at the brand new Wildwood 42ZN Park model, a masterpiece that blurs the line between RV living and full-time luxury. This isn't just another park model. This is the ultimate version, crafted for those who dream big, relax deeper, and crave that perfect balance between home and adventure. Let's start outside, because from the very first glance, the Wildwood 42ZN demands attention. Stretching over 40 feet long, this park model has a commanding presence, wide, tall, and built to stay put while giving you all the comforts of a true residential getaway. The first thing you'll notice is that striking front cap, huge panoramic windows wrapping around the living area, letting in an incredible flood of natural light. The siding is finished in sleek, modern tones, with black accents that frame the structure beautifully. Add in the detachable hitch and solid foundation skirting, and you're looking at a home that feels permanently placed, yet still movable if your journey calls for it. And with dual entry doors, high-efficiency insulation, and residential-grade windows, this thing is built for all-season comfort. Step inside. And the first thing you feel is space. It's open, airy, and drenched in light thanks to those floor-to-ceiling windows up front. The living room feels more like a luxury cabin than a trailer. You've got plush theater seating, a full-size sleeper sofa, and a feature wall with an electric fireplace, complete with a massive LED TV above. Perfect for cozy movie nights or lazy mornings with coffee and a view. The ceiling height is another wow factor, vaulted and spacious, creating that real tiny home without compromise vibe. Soft LED lighting trims the room, giving it a warm, high-end glow once the sun goes down. And with its neutral color palette and stylish furniture, it feels like a designer living room straight out of a mountain lodge or lakeside resort. Now, let's move into one of my favorite parts, the kitchen. This is where Wildwood absolutely nails it. It's not just functional, it's beautiful. You get solid surface countertops, a residential refrigerator, a 4-burner gas range, and a full microwave oven, all stainless steel. Plenty of counter space for meal prep and deep cabinets above and below, so yes, you can actually store real pots and pans here. The center island is big enough to double as a serving bar or breakfast spot, complete with high-back stools. And the overhead pendant lighting adds that extra designer touch. Now, let's head toward the rear, where the master suite quietly steals the show. The bedroom feels genuinely residential, with a king-size bed, nightstands, overhead storage, and sliding wardrobe closets that stretch wall to wall. There's even room for a washer/dryer prep, which means you can live here long-term without sacrificing convenience. And look at that finishing, soft accent walls, premium window treatments, and hidden storage nooks everywhere. It's elegant, it's functional, and it's a space that truly feels like home. Right next door, you've got a full residential bathroom, and I mean full. There's a large shower with glass doors, a foot-flush toilet, a vanity with drawers, and even an overhead medicine cabinet. No cramped corners, no shortcuts, it's all full-size comfort, beautifully finished. But don't forget, this 42ZN also gives you a spacious loft up top. Whether you use it as a guest room, kids' sleepover zone, or even a cozy storage loft, it's got plenty of space and natural light. Climb up, and you'll find an open layout with room for multiple mattresses, or just that perfect reading nook overlooking the living area below. This is where Wildwood truly separates itself from the crowd. The 42ZN isn't just about specs or square footage, it's about how it makes you feel. Imagine parking this at a lakeside resort, a forest campground, or your own piece of land. Waking up to birdsong, cooking breakfast in that full kitchen, and watching the sunset through those massive front windows. It's luxury living, simplified. You're not giving up anything, you're gaining freedom. And that's what this model captures perfectly, the feeling of home, anywhere you park it. So what do you think? Is the Wildwood 42ZN the ultimate park model, or do you have another favorite? Drop your thoughts below, I'd love to hear which feature impressed you the most. If you enjoyed this exclusive first look, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we've got more 2026 model previews coming your way soon. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and I'll see you in the next one.